Hello, my name is Evelyn. I can speak English pretty good, but when I write, everything becomes disaster. Today, I go to English school to fix my writing. Today, I'm going to sign up for an English writing class. I can speak pretty well, so this should be easy, right?
Hello. Welcome to our English school. What skills are you looking to improve?
My speaking is good, but my writing is, very elementary.
Okay. We have writing class, conversation class, and grammar class.
I don't need speaking. I talk too much already.
Then writing class is best. Can you write a simple sentence on what you ate yesterday? Yes, writing class, definitely.
Good try. Let's look at a better way to say it. I really enjoyed eating pizza yesterday.
Okay, maybe my writing is little bad. Today is my first day. I am ready. I bring notebook, I bring pen, I bring confidence.
Welcome everyone to the first day of the conversation class.
Wait, not writing?
This is a conversation class, not a writing class.
Oh no, I am in the wrong class. Why this always happened to me? Finally, I find my real class, writing class, my biggest enemy.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we will write an introduction about ourselves.
Easy. I speak this every day.
Yesterday, tomorrow, together?
Yes, my life is very busy.
Good effort. Let's fix it together. Hello, my name is Evelyn. I really like speaking English. I went to school yesterday. I am happy, but also confused.
Hello, I speak English very fast and very good.
Great, Carlos. Now, write about your hobbies. We will fix that. I like to play soccer every day, watch TV often, and eat delicious pizza with my friends, who are crazy but funny.
Hello everyone, my name is Lina.
Great! Now write your introduction on paper. Very good speaking. Now let's fix the writing. My name is Lina. I love traveling and meeting people. I speak English very smoothly.
Today, I understand something very important. Speaking and writing are different skills. When I speak, I am a genius. But when I write, I am a beginner again.
Good job, everyone. Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just practice a little every day.
If your English is not perfect, don't worry. Mine is not perfect too. Let's learn together.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.
Now, let's practice together.
I am very enjoyed to eating pizza yesterday. Almost. Try this instead. I really enjoyed eating pizza yesterday. My name Evelyn. That's close. You can say, my name is Evelyn. I very like talk English. Here's a better way to say it. I really like speaking English. I am go to school yesterday. Let's make it sound better. I went to school yesterday. I am confused always. Good try. Let's say it like this. I am always confused.
Here are some simple sentences you can use every day. I want to improve my English. Can you check my sentence? I am good at speaking, but bad at writing. I go to school every day. I am still learning. I want to improve my writing. Writing is difficult for me. See you in the next video.